Okay, so that was 2 containers of our pre-made mashed potatoes, and I didn't heat that up, so they are right out of the fridge. Next, I'm coming in with my 16 ounces of sour cream, and we're gonna use this whole container of sour cream. We're gonna put that right in there with our mashed potatoes, and we're gonna give that a good mix. We are making a super easy and super quick side dish. This is for, those times when you don't have, hours to make mashed potatoes, but you want something absolutely delicious. So you start off with those 2 containers of the mashed potatoes, which is 48 ounces, and then the 16 ounces of sour cream. Doesn't need to be perfectly mixed just quite yet. Next, I'm coming in with my real bacon bits, and we're gonna sprinkle that right in there. So this is the way to make mashed potatoes, I'm telling you. Now you can do this with your homemade mashed potatoes. Homemade is always better in my opinion, but like I said, if you don't got the hours to peel and to boil and all those things, then this is gonna be the way to do your potatoes. I'm gonna mix in those bacon bits. I have been making these potatoes since I was a kid. My mom used to make these for, Sunday dinners, and it was just always my favorite. I would eat so much of it, and my taste buds have not changed since I was a little girl. Oh, that looks so good. All right, you guys all know what this is missing, and that is some cheese. So we're gonna add a whole bag of our medium cheddar cheese, and then a whole bag of our mozzarella cheese. I know that seems like a lot of cheese, but these are potatoes, okay? And what are mashed potatoes without cheese? And we're just gonna keep on mixing. Your arm might hurt a little bit, but it's better than, mashing those potatoes. So it's still gonna be the way to do these delicious, cheesy, creamy, bacon twice potatoes. Yep, because they were already cooked once and we're gonna cook them again. All right, and I think the only thing that this is missing is our seasoning, and we can season this however we like. Woo, all right, it's getting a little messy, but the bigger the mess, the more delicious the meal. So for this, we're gonna start off with our garlic powder, and you can season this however you like. Just like with all my dishes, you can customize it to your liking. We're gonna add some onion powder, and the same goes for, the meat that you put in here and the cheese that you put in here. You could do like a cubed ham, you could do some chicken, you could do a white cheddar, a Colby Jack, whatever cheese you like. And we're gonna do some pepper. It was some pepper already in the potatoes, but since we're adding the sour cream and the cheeses, it's always nice to add a little bit more pepper. And the same goes with our salt. And if you're worried about your sodium, just go ahead and skip this one. Okay, it is time to do our final mix before we put this in the oven. Oh, it smells so good. The garlic powder, the sour cream, the bacon, the cheeses. This is an indulgent side dish, okay? We are not doing a diet this year. We are indulging and enjoying life. Okay, let's make sure we get this nice and mixed. All right, and we're just flattening out those potatoes now that they're fully mixed. Oh, it smells like heaven. And the last thing we're gonna add to this, call me crazy, you guys already are, so might as well say it to my face. More cheese. This time I'm just gonna do a light little sprinkle of our cheddar. We don't need as much because there's obviously already plenty of cheese in there. But this is gonna add a nice little cheese crust to our twice baked potatoes. All right, I think I am happy with that. My oven is set to 375 and this is gonna be in there for about 25 minutes. Oh my, this smells absolutely insane, you guys. I cannot wait any longer, but last thing I'm gonna do is add some fresh green onion, and we're just gonna cut that right on top of our twice baked potato casserole. Okay, and I did wash these. You can see the water driplets on it as I cut. That is ready. Okay, let's go ahead and get a scoop. Oh my gosh, the cheesiest potatoes you'll ever have. Oh, that looks like the perfect bite. Oh my, those are dangerous. You gotta try it like right now.